This channel has uploaded 116 videos and gained more than 100k subscribers. And look at the amount of views it's getting. And this channel has also got more than 100k subscribers with only 71 videos. And you probably saw this channel already as well. You can check out the numbers of these all channels and you will notice that they all are still generating enough views to earn enough revenue and stay relevant over the time. And which niche is it? Well, I'm going to discuss everything in this video and I will show you how you can also start something like this using only AI tools so that you don't need to come in front of the camera and record anything, just faceless. So stay till the end of the video. So the niche we are talking about today is dark psychology. So within this niche, male-female friendship psychology, dating, self-improvement, man and woman behavioral differences, relationship hassles, these all are covered. And if you look at these channels, all of the contents were made faceless. So now let me show you how you can make such videos. So the first question is, you know the niche, but how will you find a topic to create videos? Well, that's easy. Just follow the videos which are already working. You can scrap the titles of the videos which are already popular and then play around with it with ChatGPT to brainstorm even more ideas. When you are satisfied with the video topic, you need to generate a script for this video. Again, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you, but today we are not using ChatGPT. The tool which we are going to use is VexUp, which can take care of everything from generating a script to voiceover and generating video. So everything in one platform with just a few steps. So let me show you how. First, let's go to the vexup.com, log into your account and then let's click on create a video. Select text to video and then click on go to step 2. Now select the horizontal format and click on go to step 3. Now you will have options for choosing a narrator and a voice. We are skipping the narrator now and choosing this voice and then click on go to step 4. Now this is the place where you need to paste the title. And when you click on generate script, it will provide a script in just a few seconds. If you are satisfied with the script, you can stay with this or you can provide your own script as well. Then you have to click on go to step 5. Now this is the place where we have to choose image style. You have to choose the thing according to the theme of the video because it will be responsible for the look of your video. So as we are following this channel, I think charcoal will be the best for it. But remember, you can't just totally rely on what someone says. You also have to play around with the things to find out the perfect one, which actually works the best for you. Now just click on start generation and let VexUp do the magic. After a while, we get this.
Women over 40 are redefining their lives. After decades of marriage, career, and raising children, many find themselves at a crossroads. It's a time of immense change and opportunity.
See, the whole video was made in almost no time and with almost no effort. Just grab a video which is doing good, scrap the title and paste it to VexUp and let VexUp do the rest of the things. So now you know about a perfect evergreen niche which you can try to grow your own faceless channel. You just take action and VexUp is there to help. You can try VexUp with a free credit and check out their subscription packages. Don't worry about the little investments. If you are serious about content creation, just give it a try and you will not regret it. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one with another niche or new tips and tricks for faceless content creation. Bye.